This patient had a throat surgery, so he could not consume his food through the mouth, and so the doctors made a channel on his hand through which food was injected into his blood. So why was food injected into his blood? Well, we'll see. In a normal healthy person who can consume food through the mouth, food gets absorbed into the small intestine. The various nutrients in the food, like the proteins, carbohydrates, and the fats, can get absorbed into the body through these structures known as villi of the small intestine. Now the absorbed food gets transported to the various parts of the body through blood. So blood is the fluid medium which transports various substances like food to different parts of the body. So what does blood flow through in our body? See, there are these pipe-like structures in our body which are known as vessels through which blood gets transported from one portion of the body to other. And these vessels have a very reticular or a branched structure. And it looks like a river on a map. So that is why food was injected into the vessels carrying blood into this patient. Well, blood being the fluid connective tissue connects different parts of the body. So the food that has been injected through the hand would reach different parts of the body and provide energy to the patient because blood is a fluid medium and flows through all parts of the body. The vessels carrying oxygenated blood are known as arteries, and the vessels carrying deoxygenated blood are known as veins. Thus, the red vessels which carry oxygenated blood from the heart towards the body are the arteries, and the blue vessels which carry deoxygenated blood from different parts of the body towards the heart are the veins. So blood flows throughout our body. So is it happening due to gravitational force? Well, if it had been gravitational force, then how would blood flow to the head? That would have been anti-gravitation. So it cannot be gravitational force that is working here. Just like a water pump pumps water from the underground reservoirs upwards, similarly, we have a pump-like structure known as the heart. And contraction and relaxation of this heart pumps the blood throughout the body. So the heart, together with all the vessels, the arteries and the veins, form the cardiovascular system. Cardio comes from the word cardiac, which means related to the heart, and vascular means related to the vessels. So the heart, together with all the vessels, that is the arteries and the veins, form the cardiovascular system of the body. Now, if you do rigorous exercise on day 1, your body starts aching. But if you do the same rigorous exercise regularly over a couple of months, the body ache does not take place. So, how is this happening? Well, when you do the same exercise or the same work regularly throughout a couple of months, what happens is the body gets conditioned. Now the part of the body which is doing a lot of work will form blood vessels. Now these blood vessels which will carry oxygenated blood, and oxygen provides energy. So because there are large number of blood vessels now, that part will get more amount of energy, and also the toxic waste materials that are formed by that portion of the body will be excreted out of the body through the blood. So blood is the fluid medium which transports oxygen as well as carries back the toxic waste generated in the cells.